Hello guys, how's it going? This is your good friend Dalton here with you again in the video. And today I thought I might show you briefly a quick tutorial on how to download books using the Dolphin software with Easy Reader Plus on the Braille Note Touch Plus, and if we have time, how to manually download a book from the Bookshare website and import a book with the Dolphin software. I want to do this today because my membership is expiring in a couple of days, and I think it expires on the 28th, and so I want to get this done so that I can share with you guys, those of you TVIs or teachers out there that are helping blind students, blind children in their career. And if you have a Braille Note Touch Plus, I'm not sure how to get started, this could be a way to get started now. If you have if the Bookshare account is tied to your school, or if your teacher is the one that's managing your Bookshare account, then you will not be able to read these. You will not be able to download books on your own. You'll have to. Your teacher will download them for you, and you'll need to access them through your reading list, which I will show you how to find those in the Easy Reader Plus application. But I have my own individualized Bookshare account, so let's go ahead and open Easy Reader. I'm going to braille the letter E as an echo to get to Easy Reader Plus. I may have to push it multiple times until I hear Easy Reader Plus, but first of all, I'm going to turn up my speech.
Louder. Accessibility volume set to 100%. Softer.
There we go. Yeah.
Accessibility volume set to 85%.
So I'm going to go ahead and launch Easy Reader Plus by brailing the letter E as an echo by pushing dots 1, 5.
Email. Keymail.
That's not it.
Easy Reader Plus.
There it is. I'm going to push enter.
Easy Reader Plus. Load progress bar. Harris and Me. Gary Paulson. Daisy Text.
Okay, so this is a book that I imported a while ago, but I want to show you how to get to your Bookshare library and how to search Bookshare, how to import a Bookshare book. Now, if I didn't know how to do this, I could push I can push and hold my square button to bring up the context menu and search for side menu. Or I can do space with B as in boy, to bring up the side menu, which I'll do now.
My Books button.
There's My Books. So My Books is where all your recently books, that's basically your bookshelf.
Manage Libraries button.
Manage Libraries, this is where you would go to turn on or off your library services.
Bookshare button.
Here's Bookshare.
My Newspapers button.
My Newspapers.
My Clipboard Texts button.
My Clipboard Texts.
About and Help button.
And this is about the Dolphin.
My Dolphin Account button.
Now, note, you will need a Dolphin account to access Easy Reader Plus and its servers. Creating a Dolphin account is free. The Dolphin software is pretty neat. It allows you to be able to. I have the Easy Reader application on my phone as well, so when I'm on the go and I don't have my Braille Note with me, I can read a book that way. But I'm gonna go to Bookshare button.
Bookshare button.
I'm gonna push a cursor router key on this and open it up.
Waiting for.
And right now, it's just contacting the Bookshare.
Search side menu button.
And now we're in Bookshare and we see side menu. This is where we go to get back to where we were originally. But I'm gonna push my space bar and we'll see what's here.
Bookshare.
There's Bookshare.
Log out,
which I don't want to do.
Search and all. Edit box.
This is the search box where you'll go to find the book that you want. But I'm gonna pass this.
My reading list.
My reading list. This is where you will go if your teacher is managing your Bookshare account for you. But since I have an individualized Bookshare account, I'm gonna go to
Search and all. Edit box.
Search and all. I'm gonna push enter on here.
Search and all edit box.
And I'm going to I'm going to do a book. Let's see. Let's do
My
side of
of the mountain. Side menu button.
So I typed, I looked and hit enter, and it's going to bring up all the results.
Bookshare. Log out. Search and all. My side of the mountain. Gene Craighead George. A cube. 356 kilobits.
And there it is. Gene Craighead George, My Side of the Mountain. I'm going to push enter or touch cursor button on this.
Book information. Navigate up. Button.
Now, this is the book. This is where we go to download it. Now, I can push space a bunch of times to get to the download button, or I can push the letter D as in Delta.
Download button.
Download. I'm going to push a cursor arrow key on here.
Download in progress. My side of the mountain.
And now it's downloading. Give it a few minutes.
Book information. Navigate up. Button.
Now I'm gonna navigate up to my books. I'm gonna push enter on navigate up or a cursor routing button.
Bookshare. My side of the mountain. Gene Craighead George. A cube. 356 kilobits.
I'm going to push in to navigate back up to the top.
Bottom.
Or actually, space with E.
No
Sorry.
more books to list.
I'm gonna do a space with E to get out of here.
Bookshare.
And I'm gonna go back up to my side menu by doing space with B. Oh no, correction, sorry. Letter S, correction, letter S to get to the side menu.
Side menu. Button.
There it is. I brought the letter S. That's 2, 3, 4 to get to the side menu. So to correct those of you who might be confused, once I got out of my Bookshare results, I pushed the letter S to get to the side menu, and this is where you'll go to find your books.
My books button.
There it is. I'm gonna
My
push.
book. Sir. My side of the mountain. Gene Craighead George. A cube.
Now there's our most recent books, and I'm gonna push a cursor key on this, and
Side menu. Loading.
it's loading the book.
Side menu. Button.
And now I'm in the book. I can now read
My
this.
side of the mountain. Search. Bookmark. Audio set more on my side of the Gene Craighead notice.
And now I am in the book. I can turn my speech off and I can read this book. In perfect braille, and I can navigate it. I can do whatever I want, and that is how you download a book using the Easy Reader. So in essence, you'll go to Bookshare. You'll open the Easy Reader application. You'll do space with B to bring up the side menu. You'll push B to launch Bookshare. Press enter. Locate search in all. Press enter. Type in what you want to search. Press space until you find the book you want. Press enter on it, and then locate the download button. You can find this by pressing D as in Delta until you hear download button. Press enter on that and the book should download for you. Once it's downloaded, you'll press S to find your side menu, and you're going to go to My Books. Press enter on My Books, and the book that you just recently downloaded should appear in the top of the list. Okay, that is Easy Reader. I'm gonna go to my main menu by pushing my home button.
Speech on.
And now I'm going to go to internet. I'm gonna go get on Chrome. I'm gonna show you how to download a book manually and import a book using the Dolphin software. So I'm gonna go to the internet.
Internet. Internet. Chrome.
I'm gonna push enter.
Chrome. Web view. 70%. Edit box.
Okay, so right now I'm not on the right website. So I'm gonna do enter with O to bring up new web page.
HTTPS.
I'm gonna make speech stop. I'm gonna do. And it's smart enough to know that if I just type in bookshare.org, it should populate it. So I'm going to do going to do bookshare.org, and I just
Speech on.
and I just turned off speech so we don't hear a lot of garbage in the background. So I'm gonna go. Now I'm on the Bookshare website. I'm gonna push my space bar.
Skip to main content. Link.
And I'm gonna log into my Bookshare. I'm gonna show you how to download a book manually and unzip it and how to import a book with the Dolphin software. Now, the reason why you do this. Let's say the Dolphin software failed. Let's say for some reason it failed to download. This is another way you could get your books if you needed to onto your Braille note. So
Bookshare. Home. Login. Link. Collapsed.
now I'm gonna turn my speech off so you don't hear my login information. I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and log in real fast, and then I'll turn speech back on when we're logged in. So and then I will talk to you guys how I did that, or what you do next once you log in. So give me one moment while I log in, and I will while I log in here. Just give me a second. Come on. Okay, what I just do? Oh, I got it in computer Braille. So right now I'm just logging in, so bear with me 1 minute while I log into my Bookshare account. Just logging in real quick. Just give me 1 minute. Bear with me, please. Hold on. Oh, darn it. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so now I'm logged in. I'm gonna turn speech back on.
Speech on.
Sorry that took so long. I had to jump through a couple of hoops to get back in, but now we're logged.
Log out.
Now we're
Link.
logged in. I'm gonna go to
Search keywords. Search text field. Search keywords. Edit box.
So I'm in the search field. I'm gonna type in another book. I'm going to type in just for this just for this demonstration of importing a book, I'm going to do
End of field.
all
End of field.
about.
End of field. Rattlesnakes. Progress bar. 70%.
So that's just an
Search results. My Bookshare.
That's just
Web view.
I'm looking for a book.
Skip to Bookshare. My Bookshare. Dalton Lane. Link.
And I'm looking. This is just for an example. I'm gonna delete this book when I'm done.
Log out. Search key. Search text. Search. Advanced browse. Is book. Get start. Get involved. All about rattle by Jim Arnowski.
There it is.
Have you ever won copyright features? Contains it. Read now. Add to reading. Daisy text only. Menu pop-up button. Collapsed.
Okay.
Select a download format.
And now this is where you would go to select if you want it in BRF, or Daisy with images or Daisy. I'm gonna go to the download button.
Download button.
I'm gonna download it.
Progress bar.
It's gonna put it in my downloads folder. I'm gonna show you how to.
Downloading file. Option available near top of the screen.
So
File downloaded option available near top of the screen.
Okay, so now we're done with Chrome. I'm gonna get out of here.
Main menu. Contacts. Key list.
And now what I need to do is I need to create. So this book is gonna be zipped. It's a zip archive. So before I can unzip it, I need to create a new folder that the book's gonna go into. So I'm gonna go to my file manager.
File manager. Key files.
By brailing letter F and push enter.
Key files. Documents.
I'm gonna put it in.
No items. Drive select storage. 46 point storage. 46 point.
Put it in storage.
KMaths folder.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something different. Sorry, I'm gonna go.
Drive selection. SanDisk. Key files.
And I'm gonna do.
$VR.
I'm gonna create a new folder by doing space within.
Alert. New folder. Folder name. Cancel. OK.
And I'm gonna name it the
Folder
same.
name edit box. Computer braille is required.
All.
Oops. About. C deleted. O deleted. Key files. SanDisk SD $VR and article all about rattlesnakes. Folder.
Okay, there's the folder now. Now I'm ready to unzip the folder. So I'm gonna go back up. The folder is ready for the zip archive. I'm gonna go back to my drive selection.
Drive selection.
I did that by doing a D with a space bar. I'm gonna go downloads.
Documents. Downloads. Keysoft all about rattlesnakes Dalton Lane Daisy text only .zip 4:31 p.m. 51.27 kilobits zip archive all
I'm gonna go in here.
all about
I'm gonna mark all of these.
all about.
So they're all marked. And now I'm gonna do a Now I want to bring up the context menu, and I'm looking for more options. So I'm going to do space with letter M.
Context menu. New marks, copy to, move to, search, show / rename, delete, select drop, where am I? More options, backspace with enter with M.
Alright, that's what I'm looking for.
Key files. Pop-up window. Extract to.
I want to extract this file, yes.
Extract to. Drop down list. Documents. Drive selection.
I'm gonna select the drive. I'm gonna put it on the SD card.
Storage. Send it.
And I'm gonna put it in.
All about rattlesnakes. No items.
And now I'm going to select that.
Extracting files. Key files. All about rattlesnakes.ncx. Marked.
And there it is. It unzipped it. So I'm gonna go back to the main menu.
Main menu. Contacts. Key list.
And I'm gonna bring back up the Easy Reader.
Email. Key Easy Reader Plus.
pushing enter.
My side of the notice.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna push B with spacebar to bring up my bookshelf, mind you.
My books button.
I'm looking for
Manage library books. My books button.
my books.
My books. Search progress bar. My side of the map top.
I'm gonna do a top.
My books.
I'm looking for import book.
Side menu. Import a book.
There it is. I found it by doing. I brought the letter I to bring it. Import a book. I push enter.
Import book from downloads. External storage 1. Import a book. Choose book to import. Bottom. There was an error while decoding the message.
That's
Temp
just-
attachment.text. Star underscore all about rattlesnakes. Daisy text.
And if I push,
Import a book.
and now if I
Sort. Search all about rattlesnakes.
And there it is.
Jim Arnowski. Daisy text.
so I push enter on it,
All about notice.
and there we are. And that is how you import a book from the Bookshare website. Doing it with the Bookshare website on Chrome. So in essence, I went to Chrome, I logged into my Bookshare account, I searched for what I was looking for. In this case, we searched all about rattlesnakes. I downloaded it as a Daisy text file. Now you can choose what file you want. You can be Daisy text or BRF. I downloaded the file. Then once it downloaded, I went to my main menu and I selected key files, file manager. And I went and found the zip archive, the Daisy book zip archive. Then I found more options by doing backspace enter with letter M as in Mike. And I pushed enter on extract to. Then I extracted it to the folder all about rattlesnakes, which I created previously on my SD card. It's important that you create a designated folder for the books because it's going to be multiple components. And you don't want to modify or delete any of the components of the book, or else it'll make it unreadable. So once you've created the folder, you're going to select where the zip archive is going to be extracted to. Once I found the folder, I did backspace with A. This is called the action command. This told the Braille note, okay, this is where I want it to unzip to. And once I did that, and I unzipped it, it put me into the book. Then I went to my main menu, launched Easy Reader Plus, pushed space with B to go to my bookshelf, clicked on my books, pushed letter I to go to import book. I selected the storage that I wanted it to, and then you heard that error message. It's a software error. It's a glitch in the software. But just don't worry about that. You'll find the book on your storage drive. Push enter on it, and it should load in Easy Reader. If the extraction process was successful. I hope this has been helpful to you guys, and I hope this will help you guys be able to get books on your device. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need more help, or if you want any, if you have any suggestions of other topics, please leave a comment on this video. And hopefully this has been helpful to any of you TVIs out there, or aides or teachers of blind students. Hope this has been helpful to you guys in managing and downloading and unzipping books from Bookshare and using the Easy Reader Dolphin application. Okay, this is your good friend Dalton, signing out. Have a nice day, and we'll see you in a future video.